Your respiratory system powers your other systems, bringing oxygen to your other organs to make them do what they are supposed to. To put the spotlight on the main character of your respiratory system, your lungs. They are the most important part. They add the oxygen and the CO2 into your body. Your lungs remove the nasty little thing known as CO2 and damage your organs. The path of the oxygen is through the lungs, into the alveoli, into the bloodstream, through the venules, into the pulmonary veins, through the left ventricle, through the left atrium, into the heart. Then it is pumped out the left ventricle to the rest of the body. And your nose. What a wonderful thing your nose. It intakes the air, and the cilia inside your nose cleans the air, so that the pollutants in the air don't harm you as much as they would if you breathe through your mouth. Now to tell you about three important parts of your respiratory system at once: the bronchi, and the bronchioles, the alveoli, and the diaphragm. The bronchi are tubes that transport the air to your lungs. The bronchioles are smaller tubes that lead to the inside of your lungs, to the alveoli, which add the oxygen to the bloodstream. The diaphragm lifts the ribs when you breathe in, so that your lungs can fill with oxygen. And last of the respiratory organs, but certainly not least, the trachea. The trachea is the tube in the back of your throat that connects to the nose and mouth to let the oxygen into the bronchi, so it can go through the lungs. Now to discuss some of the diseases. The main cause of lung cancer is smoking. Don't smoke, kids. And some of the symptoms include a chronic cough, worsening breathlessness, weight loss, excessive fatigue, persistent pain in the chest, and one of the most significant symptoms is coughing up blood. Everybody hates pneumonia, right? Am I right? I'm just going to go out on a limb here and say I'm right. Some of the causes of pneumonia are bacteria in the lungs, viruses, and mycoplasma. Some of the symptoms include shaking, chills followed by a fever, chest pain, and nausea. The best treatment is antibiotics, but there is no actual cure. It has to be waited out. Everybody knows about asthma, right? Well, if you don't, I'm here to tell you. Asthma has no actual cure, but an inhaler can help you when you have an attack. An asthma attack is when the muscles around your bronchi become tight and squeeze the bronchi, or mucus clogging it out and make it narrower. Now I'm going to talk a little bit about the circulatory system and the respiratory system. Which ones you need more of specifically. The respiratory system provides fuel for the body, but without the circulatory system, the fuel can't get around your body. And without the respiratory system, there is no fuel for the body, so it can't do anything. And the person will die of suffocation. Interesting facts time. Every minute that we are breathing, we take in 13 times air. That's 6.15 liters of air per minute, and that is enough to fill over 1.5 million of air. And just to end this off, it's random fact time. Have you ever wondered why when you eat food and drink, the food and drink don't go down the trachea? Well, that's because of the epiglottis, a flat leg made out of a